Alright, so here we go. What we do today, we're gonna add, this driveway section. We got the driveway here, and then the sidewalk, and we're gonna add whatever dimensions we need. Then I know the title block's a little bit different, but just do it the way we're doing it, and you're fine. Alright, so, the way we measure the sidewalk, alright, we take our regular ruler at 16th scale, which is just a regular ruler, 16. Put it here, and you're gonna measure, and you're gonna see it says 1/4 of an inch. And since 16ths equal a foot, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4 feet. So we're just gonna add on at 3/32 equals a foot to the end of our drawing, 4 feet. Use our T-square. And bring a solid line out, like this. Bring a solid line out here. Use a triangle. Bring that line down. Okay, you can actually make that line a little longer in the property, because what's going to be happening is it's, like a continuous sidewalk that would just go down the block. So you can make that like a little bit longer on both sides. But the trick is, it's not part of the property line, so it would be a solid line versus how our property line has a long line dash, long line dash, long line dash, long line dash, like that. So for the sidewalk, you leave it solid lines. Going out the other edge of your driveway, across, and then just using the triangle. Okay, like this. Go to your corner, and just draw these two little pitch lines. And that's basically showing how on your driveway you got that little apron that comes down, so that the car transitions from the level of the curb to the level of the street. Okay, now at this point, what do we need to add? We need to add dimensions. Okay, so dimensioning should not be that hard for you to do. Alright, pick a spot, and I'm going to do the inner dimensions first. I'm going to do these ones here, 8 feet, 16 feet 6, 25 feet 6. So I'm going to take my triangle, use my line, skip the little spot in the middle, come down like this, skip the spot in the middle, come down here, skip the spot in the middle, come down here to my property line, 25 feet 6 inches, 16 feet 6 inches, 8 feet, just like that. Add your arrowheads. Okay, when it comes to doing the outside measurements, that 50-footer that's going to be on the right-hand side, that's really the only measurement that won't fit on the page. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow you on the left-hand side just to put it here instead. Just put it right beside the title block. Don't worry about the one on the right. So this one on the right here, forget that one. Okay, we'll just do the one that's on the left over here. Okay, we'll come over here like this, inside the title block, inside the property line. Just use our triangle. Come down, skip the line open, come down, and this is where we'll put our 50-footer. To here, 50 feet. Try to get it neater than what I just did right there. Come over here, you can do, okay, lift your pencil to here, come across, lift your pencil, come across, lift your pencil, come across. All right, you can almost get all your measurements all in one line right here. 10 feet, 20 feet, 12 feet. Use your arrowheads. Okay, make it look neat. Neat as you can. Alright. What else we need? From over here we can do on the property line. Pick your line up, come across. Pick your line up, come across. Okay, this one was 32 feet 6. 13 feet. Use your arrowheads. Okay, 32 feet 6. Put a little dash in there if you can, between the foot foot and the inch marks, makes it just a little easier to read. I think I have like 1 or 2 more measurements to do. Gotta just do this up and down here. And one over here. 12 feet for this one, and 14 feet for this one. Arrowheads. Okay? That's what you're gonna need to add up. Alright, this house, you're gonna write in here, write new Hyde Park Memorial High School, drawn by. Okay, this is gonna be 1-story house project. This is the plot plan. Scale equals 3/30 seconds equals 1 foot 0. Okay, the date and period. And that's it. Okay? Just figure out, add any dimensions you see. When you gotta do the labeling here where it says 1-story wood frame house, give yourself a couple of 1/8-inch guidelines, meaning just go like this, draw a line, draw another line about 1/8 inch away. If you have to, draw one more set of lines, and write inside the lines, 1-story wood frame house. Try to keep it between guidelines. Same thing here. Concrete parking. Okay, I did a lowercase there, I should have done uppercase. Concrete parking. Alright. Wood frame garage, same idea. That's it. Alright, you gotta add whatever dimension, or whatever wording's over here, leave the street off, and that's about it. And when you're all done, it should look very similar to this. I think the only measurement I'm missing is the 100-footer one that would come down from here. Okay, 100 feet, arrowheads. That's about it. Anywhere you see it twice, you don't need to do it twice. You don't need to do both measurements twice here. For some reason, it's just redundancy. Okay, good work. I'll post this up in a minute.